Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today we are cooking beetroot fry. It's a very easy to cook dish and healthy as well. Firstly, boil the beetroot. Add the chopped beetroot to the pressure cooker. Now add a glass of water and close the lid and leave it for 2 whistles. Grab a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add chopped onion and sauté. Remember not to overcook. Once onion is moderately cooked, add a pinch of turmeric powder and sauté. Now add 3 smashed garlic cloves and sauté. Now add the boiled beetroot and mix it well. Now add half tablespoon of chili powder and salt as per taste and mix it well. Once the beetroot is fried well, add a tablespoon of ground nut powder and mix it well. Finally, add coriander leaves. Easy and healthy beetroot is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.